తెలిసిందే సైనిక్ స్కూల్ ఆల్ ఇండియా సైనిక్ స్కూల్ ఎంట్రన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఇప్పుడే అయిపోయింది. పేపర్ అనేది ఔట్ వచ్చింది. మా దగ్గర ఉన్న సబ్జెక్ట్ ఎక్స్‌పర్ట్స్‌తో మేము పేపర్ అంతా ఒకసారి తరోగా చూసాము. యాస్ యాస్ పర్ ద టీచర్స్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ద క్వెషన్స్ అనేవి కొంచెం పేపర్ అనేది మోడరేట్ లెవెల్‌లో ఉంది. మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది క్వెషన్స్ ఔట్ ఆఫ్ 125 క్వెషన్స్‌లో పిల్లలొచ్చేసి ఒక మాక్సిమం 6 క్వెషన్స్ వరకి పోతాయి. అండ్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అనేది ఓవరాల్‌గా బానే ఉంది కానీ, బట్ ఏమంటే నార్మల్‌గా మ్యాచ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ అండ్ అజంప్షన్ క్వెషన్స్ బాగా ఇచ్చాడు. స్టేట్మెంట్ క్వెషన్స్ బాగా ఇచ్చాడు. బట్ క్వెషన్ అనేది బేసిక్ లెవెల్‌లోనే ఉంది. బట్ 4 ఆర్ 3 క్వెషన్స్ అనేది స్టేట్మెంట్ క్వెషన్స్ వచ్చాయి. అక్కడ మిస్ అయ్యే అవకాశం ఉంది. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వెళ్తే రీజనింగ్‌కి వెళ్తే మనకి రీజనింగ్ అనేది పిల్లలకి బేసిక్ గానే ఉంది. ఓన్లీ కొన్ని ఇంకో 1 ఆర్ క్వెషన్స్ మిస్ చేసే అవకాశం ఉంది. ఎవరైతే సైనిక్ కోసం ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్న పిల్లలైతే ఈ రీజనింగ్‌ని మాక్సిమం 48 వరకి స్కోర్ చేయొచ్చు. 46, 48 స్కోర్ చేశారంటే చాలా క్వెషన్స్ అనేవి 48, 46 స్కోర్ చేశారంటే క్వెషన్ పేపర్‌ని బానే చేసినట్టు పిల్లలు. 1 క్వెషన్ ఆర్ 2 క్వెషన్స్ పోతుంది పిల్లలకి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అండ్ జీకే గురించి కూడా మా ఫ్యాకల్టీ అనేది అప్‌లోడ్ చేస్తారు. ఫర్దర్‌గా మీకు లైవ్‌లో కూడా
మేడం
క్వెషన్ పేపర్ ఎక్స్‌ప్లనేషన్ ఉంటుంది. మా కీతో మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. చెక్ చేసుకొని మీకెంత స్కోర్ వచ్చిందో మీరు స్కోర్ కాలిక్యులేషన్ వచ్చేసి మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఏమో ఇంటూ 3 చేయాలి. జీకే అండ్ రీజనింగ్ అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ వచ్చేసి ఇంటూ 2 చేయాలి. మొత్తం స్కోర్‌ని మీరు మా చాట్ బాక్స్‌లో కూడా మీరు పెట్టొచ్చు. దాన్ని బట్టి మనకి కట్ ఆఫ్స్ ఎంతొస్తాయి అనేది కూడా మేము ఎస్టిమేషన్ చేసి మీకు ఫర్దర్ అప్‌లోడ్ వీడియో చేస్తాము. రేపు మార్నింగ్ వరకల్లా మాకొచ్చే మెసేజెస్‌ని బట్టి ఎవరెవరికి ఎంత స్కోర్ వచ్చిందో చూసి దాన్ని బట్టి కట్ ఆఫ్ వీడియో అనేది కూడా అప్‌లోడ్ వస్తుంది మీకు. దాన్ని కూడా మీరు వాచ్ చేయొచ్చు. థాంక్ యూ.
Hi everyone. Good afternoon. Kranthi Academy. Just now, students are finished their all India level Sainik School Entrance Examination, and with us the question paper it was there. It is there with us. So teachers are doing key papers actually. హాయ్. దెన్ ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఒక 20-30 మినిట్స్‌లో క్రాంతి ఛానల్ యూట్యూబ్ నుంచి మేము కీ అప్‌లోడ్ చేస్తాము. సెట్ వైస్‌గా మీరు చెక్ చేయండి. పేపర్ ఎలా ఉంది అనుకుంటే జీకే ఐ యామ్ ద జీకే ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఇన్ క్రాంతి కీన్ యాస్ వెల్ యాస్ డైరెక్టర్ ఆల్సో. సో, జీకే గురించి మాట్లాడాలి అంటే మ్యాచ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ క్వెషన్స్ అండ్ సెంటెన్స్ మ్యాచింగ్, రీడింగ్ బేస్డ్ క్వెషన్స్ యాక్చువల్‌గా టైమ్ వేస్ట్ అవుతది స్టూడెంట్స్‌కి. సో, మ్యాచ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ అనేది గానియ్యండి, ఆప్షన్ రిలేటెడ్‌గా మ్యాచింగ్ క్వెషన్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది ఈసారి జీకేలో. సో, చూస్తే ఒక 3-4 క్వెషన్స్ అనేవి మోడరేట్‌ని మించిన లెవెల్‌కున్నాయి. మనం ఎంత ప్రిపేర్ చేసినా జీకేలో 3-4 క్వెషన్స్ అనేవి స్టూడెంట్ వాళ్ళ ఎనలాజికల్‌గా చేయాల్సొస్తది. అనాలిసిస్ చేయాలి పిల్లలు. సో, అనాలిసిస్ అనేది స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉన్న పిల్లలకైతే 1 ఆర్ 2 మించి క్వెషన్స్ మిస్టేక్ కాకపోవచ్చు. బికాజ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఏరియాస్ టచ్ చేసాము. జియోగ్రఫికల్, హిస్టారికల్ ఆర్ ఎల్స్ లైవ్లీహుడ్, న్యాచురల్ సైన్స్ వాట్ ఆర్ ఇట్ మే బి చాప్టర్స్ మేము పిల్లలకి చక్కగా ఎక్స్‌ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఓవరాల్‌గా 4 క్వెషన్స్ అయితే టఫ్ ఉన్నాయండి. బట్ పిల్లలు అనాలిసిస్ చేసి వాళ్ళు రెక్టిఫై చేసుకున్నట్టయితే 2 క్వెషన్స్ దాకా అటెండ్ చేస్తారు. మాక్సిమం ఒక 2 క్వెషన్స్ అయితే కొద్దిగా మిస్టేక్ చేయడానికి అవకాశం ఉంది. జస్ట్ నౌ అవర్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ will explain you the English how the paper is and answers and all one by one you will get the key answers from Kranthi Keen YouTube channel. Just English madam is coming to explain English. Thank you. Ma'am. Just recheck me. Just according to madam, she is telling English madam doing key also. Just it will take 1 or 2 minutes. Around 290 మేబీ గెయిన్ చేయడానికి 290 ప్లస్ గెయిన్ చేయాలంటే మాత్రం ఈ పేపరు రీడింగ్ ఎక్కువగా ఉన్న పోర్షన్ పైన బేస్ అయ్యొచ్చింది. సో, 296, 290 లైక్ దట్ ప్లస్ స్కోర్ చేయాలి అంటే స్టూడెంట్ కొంచెం ఇంగ్లీష్ రీడింగ్ స్కిల్స్ అనేయి బాగా ఉన్న పిల్లలకి ఈజీగానే ఉంది. అండ్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ మెంటల్ ఎబిలిటీ వచ్చి ఒక 2 క్వెషన్స్ అనేవి స్టూడెంట్‌ని కన్‌ఫ్యూజ్ చేసేలాగా వచ్చినాయని ఫ్యాకల్టీ చెప్తున్నారు. అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆల్‌మోస్ట్ యూజువల్లీ జీకేలో ఎలా అయితే 4 క్వెషన్స్ రీడింగ్ బేస్ ఉన్న పిల్లలు చేయగలుగుతారో, సేమ్ లైక్ దట్ ఇంగ్లీష్ గూడా కొంచెం ఒక 4 క్వెషన్స్ అనేవి పిల్లల్ని టెస్ట్ చేసేలాగానే ఉన్నాయి. ఓవరాల్‌గా పేపర్ చూస్తే అయితే రీడింగ్‌లో బాగా స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉన్న స్టూడెంట్స్ చేయగలుగుతారు. అండ్ మన తెలంగాణకైతే స్కూల్ లేదు. మీకు తెలిసిన విషయమే. సో, కట్ ఆఫ్ మార్క్స్ అనేవి జనరల్ కేటగిరీ వచ్చి మనకి 285 ఉండే అవకాశం అయితే చాలా వరకుంది. 285 ప్లస్ వచ్చిన స్టూడెంట్స్‌కి ఫస్ట్ ఫేజ్‌లోనే వాళ్ళకి నచ్చిన స్కూల్ రావడం జరుగుతది. అండ్ ఫేజ్ 2, ఫేజ్ 3, ఫేజ్ 4 పేషెన్సీ ఉంటేనే 280 మార్క్స్ ఆ రేంజ్‌లో వచ్చిన మన పిల్లలకి 275 ఓబీసీ, ఎస్సీ, ఎస్టీ కేటగిరీ ఉన్న పిల్లలకి 260 కాదు గానీ 270 వరకు రిజర్వేషన్ కేటగిరీ, ఓబీసీ 280 అండ్ జనరల్ కేటగిరీ 285-290 ఇది కొంచెం ఇంకొక 5 మినిట్స్ అయితే గాని మేము క్లారిటీ చెప్పగలుగుతాం. ఈ వీడియో ఎండింగ్‌లో క్లారిటీగా మన కాస్ట్ వైస్ రిజర్వేషన్ ఉన్న పిల్లలకి ఎంతవరకు కట్ ఆఫ్ ఛాన్స్ ఉంది అనేది మేము చెప్తాము. జస్ట్ స్టే ట్యూన్ విత్ అస్. 2 మినిట్స్‌లో 1 ఆర్ 1 ½ మినిట్‌లో ఇంగ్లీష్ మేడం గూడా తను కంటిన్యూ చేస్తారు. మీరు ఛానెల్‌ని చూడండి. స్టే ట్యూన్ 2 మినిట్స్. గుడ్.
Hi, this is Ramya. I'm going to tell the set of Q. First question is filling the blanks with the correct form of verb. If I were a doctor, I would serve the poor. Filling the blanks with a suitable conjunction. I don't know why she left the house. Okay. So the paper actually 6 to 7 questions were bit tough for the kids. I hope remaining all the 70% of the paper was good, but 30% the paper was bit tough. So we'll start the enough. Now filling the blanks with the correct form of verb. If I were a doctor, if I were a doctor, I would serve the poor. Next one, filling the blanks with the suitable conjunction. I don't know dash she left the house. Why? Choose the correct option to improve the sentence. We are to meet him next week. So the first option is were to meeting, are meeting, would be in meeting, have meeting. So the option is are meeting. Question number 4. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct question tag from the given options to complete the sentence. Everything is fine, isn't it? Fifth question. Filling the blanks with the suitable question tag. There is no doubt. There is no doubt. Dash. First option is wasn't there, is there, aren't there, isn't there. So the correct option is there. Choose the correct meaning of the sentence given below. She lives in her ivory tower. The options are she lives on a beautiful tree house. She lives in an isolated building. She lives in a difficult situation. She lives in a difficult situation. The last option is she lives in her imaginary world. So the correct option is she lives in her imaginary world. Seventh one, choose the correct meaning of the phrase 1 cup of a tea from the following options. So the correct option is 2 ones. So the correct option is 2 ones liking. Eighth one. Identify the tense of the following. Identify the tense of the following. You have been working very hard. So the correct option is present perfect tense. The correct option is present perfect continuous tense. Filling the blanks with the correct degree of comparison. Do you work dash than Neelam? The correct option is more. Filling the blanks with the correct degree of comparison. So the correct answer is fastest. Passage. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th President of India. He was a great man with a high level of intelligence. He was born and raised in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He studied physics at the St. Joseph College, Tiruchirappalli, and aerospace engineering at the Madras Institute of Technology, Chennai. He was a good student throughout his school years, popularly known as the Missile Man of India. Dr. Kalam had led India from one achievement to another in space technology. He played very important role in India's Pokhran 2 nuclear test in 1998. After the original nuclear test by India in 1974. He had been awarded with the Padma Bhushan in 1981 and the Padma Vibhushan in 1990 by United Nations recognized Dr. Kalam's 79th birthday as well Students' Day. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in Rameshwaram. Next, according to the passage, choose the incorrect statement. So, Dr. received the Bharat Ratna in 1991. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. The United Nations recognized Dr. Kalam's 79th birthday as World Students' Day. Dr. Kalam had led India. Dr. Kalam had led India from one achievement to another in space technology. Identify the technology from the given sentence. Now, out of the given options, 15th question. Out of the given options, choose the synonym of recognize, identify. Sixteenth question. Filling the blanks with the correct preposition. Filling the blanks with the correct preposition. He has retired dash the business. He has retired from business. Filling the blanks with the correct preposition. Aeroplane is flying over the aeroplane is flying over the cloud. Identify the adjective from the given options. The option is blind. 19th question. Filling the blanks with the most suitable options given below. She has dash for 1 month's leave.
She has asked.
20th question. Choose the word that is opposite to demolish. The answer is raise. R-A-Z-E. 21st question. Complete the sentence with a suitable article from the given options. The darkest cloud has a silver lining. Find the correctly spelled word from the options given below. B-I-S-C-U-I-T. Identify the sentence in which simile is used. So, simile is used. He runs like a leopard. Filling the blanks with the correct form of verb. Lokesh was busy when we dashed to see him. When we went to see him. Filling the blanks with the correct form of word. 44 rupees dash a small amount. Is a small amount. Thank you.
One to 125.
How paper it is you tell us.
Hmm. Ah, हाँ, फिर मैं चाहिए ना कावल हम्म चलो स्टार्ट कर पेपर नहीं तो मैं आंसर ध्यान नहीं आता Hi children, hope you all have done very well in your exams. Now you will be feeling very much relaxed. So now come here. This is general knowledge. Okay, general knowledge questions start from 101 to 125. So total 25 questions are there. Children, there was this time they have given some match the following questions. Okay, some not correct sentences. Okay, so they have done it like that. Plus some questions they have repeated from last 2 3 years question paper. Okay, so we will see it was, you cannot say very easy, you cannot say it was too tough that you cannot do. A good student who has studied well will surely do this, but average students will find some problem. So let us go to the, without wasting much time, I'm giving you the key of this today's Sainik exam and Sainik entrance exam 2026. I'm giving key for general knowledge. Okay. So now the first question what was, consider the following statements about the Dead Sea. You know, Dead Sea is of no use. Na? So you have to, two statements are given. What statement? If a person does not know how to swim, she will drown in Dead Sea. First statement is that it is the least salty and of all oceans and seas. Now, Dead Sea, why you call it? Because it is a salty. So, if a person does not know how to swim, she will drown. She will drown. So that's why this is correct, but this statement 2 is wrong here, because least means what? Least means no, almost nil, but Dead Sea contains salt. So that's why this is wrong. So your right answer will be what? Statement 1 is correct, option 4. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. That is the right option. Okay, children, this is the right option. Then 102. Again, you see match list with one with list 2. So first, what is given? Jodhpur, Valsad, Kozhikode, Kullu Manali. Very easily, if you know where is Jodhpur, you will automatically be able to do it. So Jodhpur is Rajasthan, na? Rajasthan. Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Here. Then Valsad is Gujarat. So what? 1, A2, B3. Then Kozhikode is Kerala, 4. Then Kullu Manali will go to Himachal. So what will be the right combination here? Or this option 4. This will be the right option. 4. A2, B3, C4, D1. So that is very, this is the right option. Okay. Then now question number 103C. This is a general question based on constitution and legality. The law on child marriage in India has strictly fixed the minimum age for marriage. They're very strict nowadays as far as marriage is concerned. They have, what is the minimum age for marriage for girls and boys? They have asked the question. So many times you have to come across in newspaper or TV channels and all. What is the minimum age? Before, what it was, 18 years was enough for both of them. If the boy or the girl, both of them reaches 18 years, that was enough. But then the government thought there should be a change, and they made a change, and they made it 18 years for girls, 21 years for boys. They made it like that: 18 years for girl, 21 years for boys. Because by 21 years, the government thinks the boy will have the maturity and he will understand his responsibility. So they changed 18 years for girls, they kept 21 years for boys. Okay, so the option 3 was the right option. Okay. Now, what is the capital of United Arab Emirates, UAE? Is a Gulf country. Okay, so what is the capital? Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is the capital. Then again, this was a very simple question. Now, now Now listen, children. 105. Two statements are given. You have to consider which one about banyan tree. First, we saw about Dead Sea. Now he has asked about banyan tree. The banyan tree does not have roots under the ground like other trees. Okay, you know that the banyan tree doesn't have roots like other branches until the banyan roots of the banyan tree grows down from the branches until they reach the ground. So if you know the banyan tree, it doesn't, this is wrong. The banyan tree does not have roots. It has roots under the ground. So this sentence is wrong, whereas this is the right sentence. So what will be the right option? Statement 1 is incorrect. Statement 2 is correct. So we will have, this is the right option. Option 1 is the right option. Okay. Then coming to question number 106. Who among the following discovered the mosquito spread malaria? See, if you know these three options, option 2, 3, 4, who are they? Automatically you will get the answer that it is answer option 1. But you should know these three what they did, then you will easily understand. And this is very common name, Thomas Edison, James Watt, Marie Curie. So very easily you can say that it was Ronald Ross. It was Ronald Ross. Okay, so this is the right option here. Then comes what? 107. Now this is a little tough question, I will say, because children will not, though you, if you know, if you read books, if you are interested in reading books, or if you have read completely books and authors, maybe this you can answer. Which of the following former president of India, our Indian president, many of them write books. President of India is the author of the story Blow Hot, Blow Cold. So who it was? So it was Dr. Zakir Hussain who wrote this book. Zakir Hussain, okay? Dr. Zakir Hussain. So option 2 is the right answer. Now, which of the following are not obtained from petroleum? Which of the following are not obtained from petroleum is asking. So what is not obtained from petroleum? You have to see, okay? One not seven. Okay, we'll see. Just a minute. Paper so ulta. So kerosene, it is petroleum. Yes or no? So C and D are not solar energy and hydel energy. You don't get from petroleum. So C and D is the right option here. Because kerosene and grease, it comes from petroleum. Solar energy comes from the sun. Okay. Now 109. Again, it is asking about a book. Who wrote the book? How we found the earth is round. That means he must have researched and found out that the earth is round and he wrote a book on that. Who it was? Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams, as you all know, she was a scientist working with NASA. Okay, she went into space. Kalpana Chawla went to Neil Armstrong. They all went to space. So they did not write any book. So who was left? Isaac Asimov. So this is the right option here. He wrote the book How We Found the Earth is Round. Then comes 110. Then comes 110. Okay. 110. See, now here also, which of the following statements are correct about living in space? Living in space. Things kept floating in the spaceship from one end to another. You know, in a spaceship there is no gravitational force, so they all float. All those who go in the space, they keep on floating only. So that is correct option is. So this one is what is asking, which of the following statements are correct about living in space. So this is correct. The earth has a gravitational pull. Statement 2. So earth, of course, it has a gravitational pull. So this is correct. So what will be the right option? Statement 1 is correct, but statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct is wrong. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Both statements 1 and 2 are correct because both are correct. Yes, here in space you float, here earth has a gravitational pull. So option 4 is the right option here. Okay. So option 4 is the right option. Then comes 111. Put the following points in a sequence to make salt from the seawater. How they make salt from the seawater? How do they make? So you have to read. After the water dries, the salt remains on the ground. The seawater is collected in shallow bed dug in the sand. Water is allowed to dry in the sun. So what should come first? Whether B should come or C should come or A should come, right sequence you have to make. So how to make salt? So first what they will do? They'll collect the seawater in shallow bed dug in the sand. So first is B. Then what they have to do? Water is allowed to dry in the sun. Okay, then the water is allowed to dry in the sun. So B, C. Then after the water dry, the salt remains on the ground. Then thus we get the salt. So what will the option B, C, A? B, C, A. Option 1 is the right option here. Option 1. Okay, B, C, A. Now, which one of the following is known as the soil's best friend? Now, you see termites. Termites are not soil's friend. Termites are wood. Grasshoppers, grass. Ants, they live on the floor also. So, what is left over? Only earthworms. So, earthworms is the right option here. Karnam Malleshwari is an award winning in what? In which she won an award? Weightlifting. So, that is the right option. Weightlifting is the right option. Who is Bachendri Pal? Very common question and recently asked to you also. First woman to reach the peak of the Mount Everest is Bachendri Pal. Okay. So this is the right option. Then Hyderabad, very simple question to all of you. Very simple. Hyderabad is famous for which of the following? So it is famous for Golconda Fort. Golconda Fort. Okay. You know, in Hyderabad we have Golconda Fort. Now, one one 116. According to Right to Forest Act 2006, people who have been living in the forest for at least how many years will have a right over the forest land and what is grown on it. They will have the right. They will become the owners of that particular land and what they have grown on it, what crops they have grown. So, what will be the age government has kept? According to Rights to Forest Act 2000, it is 25 years. If they have stayed at the same place for 25 years, the land belongs to them. Whatever is grown in the land, that belongs to them. Okay, it will be transferred into their name. This is said because tribals have been working for so many years in particular land. And after that, the government comes and takes the land. For that purpose, government has brought an act for that. Okay. So 25 years is the right option. 25. Okay. Now, which one of the following planet does not have a ring around it? Very simple question. It is Venus. Venus does not have a ring around it. Now, this is a little tough question of defense question they given, but actually in every educational institution, this nobody takes care. Actually, teaching means we teach about who is the defense chief of army, chief of navy, like that, and what are the ranks in Indian army. How many commands have to be given during the entire passing out parade of the passing out parade is once you join army, once you are in the training period, when you pass out from the training, that is called passing out parade. So now this is a question that many of you will not be knowing, because some will be knowing, especially whose father is in army or defense, they will be knowing this. But most of you will maybe, but you can guess easily. So 32, it is 32. 30, 32, it is given. Why 32 is given? Because in 1932, army was formed. So that's why 32 they have kept. What is H2? H2 is very common for you. H2O. H2O is water. That is very easy. Which of the tallest, this is also very simple question they asked. Recently built statue of unity. Statue of unity. It is in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Okay. It is the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay. Then comes 1 to 1. Who among the following has made the documentary film India Untouched? It is Stalin K. Who has made this documentary film is short film. Sorry. Now 122. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Which one of the following statement is not correct? Now fishes give alarm. Fishes give alarm called by electric signal. That is 100% correct. Snakes do not have external ears. It is correct. Birds give different warning call if the enemy is coming. This sentence is also correct. So this fourth will be automatically wrong, because animals that are awake in the daytime can see things only in black and white colors. That is totally wrong statement. So this is only the right option. Then 124, 123. Now is asking match. List one match with list two. rice, how to preservation, method of preservation. You read this food items, method of preservation. So cooked rice, how you will preserve? Putting in a bowl and keeping the bowl in a container with some water. So this will be this. Then onion garlic, what you have to keep it in a open dry place. Milk boiling. Then green coriander wrapping. So what came first? What came first? Tell me. A is 4. So where is A 4 here? This. So option 3 is the right option. Because only in 3 the option is A is what? A is 4. So automatically you can go with this. So this is the right option. Okay. Then the last question, what it is, 124, sorry. In which year did Gandhiji go on a Atham long for Ahmedabad to Dandi seashore in Gujarat protest against the British law? They did not allow people to make salt themselves. So it was many times this question is asked to you. So this is 1930. So this question also many children would attempt rightly, I know. Then now again he has given match the list. So famous for special things. Famous for special things he has given. So what is famous for special things? So he has, if you see Telangana, Kashmir will be embroidery. Kashmir is famous for embroidery. That everyone knows. Kashmir embroidery if you put, Telangana Pochampally if you put, Bihar Madhubani. So Assam will automatically go to silk. Okay. So what came? Kashmir embroidery. So A3. A3. Okay. A3. A3 means Kashmir embroidery. Where is A3? Two places, option 2 and 3, 4 have A3. So B, what it is? B is Telangana, Pochampally. So 4, correct. Then Bihar, Madhubani, correct. D1. So this is the right option. Option 3 is the right option here. So children, that was the paper about GK. Today's Sainik School and All India Sainik School Entrance Entrance exam conducted. This was the general knowledge paper where it is a combination of easy as well as little complicated question. Okay, and most of them 2-3 questions you can see there match the following. So children, hope cross check with what you have done, but don't get discouraged if you are getting less. Be happy, do well. Thank you.
ఇదేనా పిల్ల? అమ్మో. Good evening, everybody. Now I will discuss about the intelligence. It is the questions from 76 to 100. And next, the question paper, I think it is the moderate question paper. Most of the questions came from the basic level only. And if you observe our old videos, we discussed so many questions in our old videos also, reasoning. Okay, if you see, this is the boy of our student. He got all right in the reasoning. See here, BDFGIK. G, GIK. What happened here? B, C, D, E, F, G. Plus 5 happened. D, E, F, D, E, F, G, H, I. Plus 5 it is came. Same L, M, N, O, P, Q. Q is the first. And next, S. S is the plus 4 is the S, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Answer is the Q, S, U. And next it is the dictionary words, alphabetical order. If you observe, this is the CA first, CA is the first. All as the following appear in the English dictionary. CA, D is the first. What will come? CH, C, after that CL, and next CB, after that CY. Answer is the C. Today the options are 1, 2, 3, 4, not A, B, C, D. And this is the mathematical operations. You need to change the symbols. 25 minus means 25 minus means into, plus means minus, into means division, and next division means plus 5. Okay, 25 into 5, 125 minus 2 plus 5, 130 minus 2, 1. And next, this is the 128 is the answer. And image side to the lady. Your man is saying to the lady, what? Yours mother's. Ladies, whose mother's? Lady's mother husband is obviously lady's father. Husband's sister. Father's sister is his aunt, man aunt. Obviously, they both are the brother and sister. The lady is related to the man is the sister. Answer is 1. Next, the first two terms are related in the same way. Same thing you have to. This is the analogy question. If you observe, this is a CDA plus 2 and X U V W X minus 2 here plus 2 here. Next plus 4. See here G H I plus 2 and T minus 2 P R I R plus 4 happens, same 14 plus 4, 18. Answer is the 3, which can be formed. We can't tone because mo is there. We can't term. Next we can form. The answer is the 1. Answer is the 1. Next, study the following. This will be little bit confused question in the reasoning. Study alphabetical sequence and questions below. They gave the left is this side, right is, it is very clear. Which letter is the second to the right of the seventh from the right end? What is the second right end? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the second. To the second right. What's the second right? This is the Y. Answer is the Y. Answer is the Y. And next one more 83 also. Little bit confusion. These two only, these are all related to alphabetical only. Little bit confusion. The 83 question is letters before the O, before the letters they asked, is it okay? But they gave the one condition, if the letters of the given word arranged in the alphabetical order, means if whatever letters are there, you have to arrange into the alphabetical order. So I'm arranging the alphabetical order. A will come first, that's why A. Then E will come. E is one only there. Okay. Next, I will come. I. How many are there? I, sir, there. So if you go for the N, 1, 2, 3, N, 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 and L also. After that, O. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 letters are there. If you arrange them after the words into alphabetical order. These two only little bit tricky questions. Remaining all are easy only. 84. This is the mirror image. You know already mirror image left goes to right, right goes to left. That will be the same. This shade part will become square and square. But answer is the 1. And next here 85. Some letters missing in the given. This is a regular series, repeated series, but it is very easy they gave. If you observe XYZ, 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 Z, Y, Z, Z, Z. Answer is A. And next 86, this is a series C, A, B, C, A, B, C, D, plus 4, plus 2, D, E, F, G, H, plus 4, plus 3, plus 4, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, plus 5, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. After that, this is the C, B, C, D, E, F, G plus 5, G, H, I, J, K, L, M plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. If you do that will be the SB is the answer. And next question 87. The word which is the odd. Obviously the sun. Earth, Mercury, sun is the answer. Next, this is the relation series into 2 plus 1. Into 2 plus 1. Into 2 plus 1. Into 2 plus 1. 31 into 2. 62 plus 1 is the 63. And next here, 89. Arrange the following into ascending order. Ascending is nothing but small to big. What is the smallest one first? Second. Second after minute. Minute after hours. Hours after day. Day after week. CEADB. Answer is the 3. Answer is the 3. And next 90 is the X is the brother of the son of the Y son. X is the what happened? Brother of the son of the wife's son's brother is the X. Okay. How is X related to Y? He is the grandson, obviously grandson. And it's 91. Find out the missing number in the following. In the following. See here, 91. It is a very logic. As in 18 minus 5 is the 3, 17 minus 2 is the 5. Like that, this is the 4. Answer is the 4. P came slash, Y came here, A came here, L is the same. Means second place is the same. G comes last. And next, Y. Y came third, means E. And here, what is the value? And next, G will come. A comes the third place is the M. M-A-E-G. M-A-E-G. Answer is M-A-E-G for the 92. 92. We are discussing today the Q set. You check the answers based on this explanation for another sets also. Next here BA3. See here 2 plus 1 is the 3. 4 plus 2 is the 6. Plus. Here BCD plus 2 and E, F, G, H, C, D. And next HD 12. 12. The addition of the letters is the 12. Answer is the 4. And 94 here, it is very easy. Nothing. The square roots. 4 plus 5 is the 9. 6 plus 7 is the 13. 10 plus 11 is the 21. 21. And next question here. Iraq is the dinar. The currency of the Iraq is the dinar. And next UAE is the dirham. Answer is the dirham. And next here plus 2, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8. 12 plus 8 is the 20. 96 answer is the 20. And next here 97. This is the series. Series, see here what happened clockwise plus 2, anti-clockwise minus 1. Plus 2 minus 1. It is the 3. Answer is the 3. And next here number of triangles. And next here number of triangles. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 normal and combine see 1, 2. Plus 2, 2 right angles. And this is the big one plus 2. This is the big one plus 2. Total how many? Plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2. Total is the 10. Next here shaded part the anti-clockwise 1 place. Here also shaded part moves the anti-clockwise. That is the 3. That is the 3. And next here the games odd man of cricket, chess, football. Chess is the indoor cup. This is a reasoning paper. We got so many students in our institute in reasoning 50 out of 50. We are very happy for that. Now we will discuss about the math paper.
స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. స్టార్ట్ మాట్లా. So finally the Sainik exam has been completed, and we got the maths paper, and it little bit 2 or 3 questions will be confusing. So those who understand the question, it can be easy for most. I think most of the students will get 150 out of 150. Those who read the question carefully and who has done right. So now let's solve the question and check your answer key. So next. Twenty-six. Right. So now the math question starts. So it is very easy. Before only I said 2 to 3 questions will be little bit confusing, not very much. So let's see the questions. So the first question, 26th one. Now the cost of 18 notebooks is 1,296. Then the cost of 11 notebooks is how much? Direct. He given cost of 18 notebooks is 296 rupees, and the 11 notebooks. What is the cost of 11 notebooks? That, so cross multiplication. If you do the cross multiplication, then see 1296 into 11 by 18. 18 ones are 18, 18 sevens are 126, 18 twos are 36. So 11 into 7, 11 into 72, 792. So option 4. 26, option 4. Unitary method, that's it. Cross multiplication. Next, 27. A pole has been painted in 3 colors. 1 by 4 part. Pole has been painted in 3 colors. So 1 by 4 part of it has been painted in black color, and 2 by 5 part of has been painted in red color, and the remaining has been painted in green color. So there are 3 colors he has given: red, black and green. So we have to find the what is the part of the green color. So for the fraction we have to take 1. So total part is equal to 1. So we have to add this 1 by 4 and 2 by 5. Subtract from 1 means we have to get the remaining part. So direct 1 by 4, 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5, 1 minus, because why I am subtracting from 1 means total minus 1 when it is in fraction. So 5 5 5 plus 8 by 20, 1 minus. So 20 minus 13 by 20, 7 by 20. So option 3, 27. So the part of the green color is 3, 7 by 20. Next, 28. 28, he given the box, so we have to find out the value which is, we can take the x here, so we have to find out the value of x here. So what is the answer? See, I'm taking the box as 1 x, so x minus, this is the mixed fraction, convert into proper fraction. So 6 is 18, 18 plus 5, 23. So 23 by 6 is equal to 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 by 5. Now x, we want x means move this 23 by 6 to RHS. Then 14 by 5 plus 23 by 6. So 14 6 is 84 plus 523 is 1115 by 5 into 6 30. That is equal to 4 plus 5 9 and 199 by 30. So denominator is even number and numerator is odd number. So it will come in mixed fraction. See 36 is 180, 180 plus 19, 199. So option 4. 28 option 4. Next. 29. A sum of 2320 is divided between Sita and Gita. There are two persons, Sita and Gita, and the sum 2320 is divided between them in the ratio of 3 is to 5. What are the shares of Sita and Gita? He is asking. So the two girls has been divided this money. We have to find out the how much share they got in the ratio of 3 is to 5. Direct. Total 3. He given the ratio 3 5. So total how much? 8. So direct. 2 3 2 0 by 3 plus 5 8. 8 ones are 8 8 twos are 16 7 8 nines are 72 290. So 290. One part is equal to 290. So for Sita how many parts? 3 parts. So direct. For Sita is equal to 290 into 3 870. So 870 has only one option. Sita got 870. Remaining 2320 minus 870 1450. So option 4. 29 is option 4. Sita got 870 rupees and Geeta got 1450 rupees. Next 30. In a packet of 680 pens, so in a packet there are 680 pens, number of red pens is 140 and number of green pens is 160. The remaining pens are blue, then the ratio between green pens and blue pens. So in a packet there are three types of pen, red, green and blue. If given the number of red pens and green pens, we have to find out the blue pens and find out the ratio. So total 680. First we have to add the this red pen and blue pens. 140 plus 160 300. So 680 minus 300. How much? 380. So remaining pen is what? Blue pen. So blue pen is equal to 380. What he has asked? The ratio between green pen and blue pen. How many green pens are there here? So red pen is 140 and green pen is 160. So what is the ratio between green pen and blue pen? So 160 is to 380. So 0 0 get cancelled. 2 8s are 2 19s are. 8 is to 19. Option, which option? Option 2. So the ratio between green pen and blue pen is 8 is to 19. Next 31. Harpreet family planned a picnic over the weekend. Her mother packed 3 kg. See, Harpreet is a person. He has a family. They went to picnic, and her mother packed 3 kg 70 grams of watermelon and 2 kg 75 grams of mangoes. Her father packed 950 grams of pineapple and 1 kg 600 grams of apples. The total weight of the fruits they carried with them is simply we have to multiply this. That's it. So no, we have to add the all those values. Then we'll get the total weight of the cages they have carried. So first 3 kg 70 grams. See 3 kg 70 grams. For easy purpose, you have to convert into grams. 3 kg means 3000. 3000 plus 70 grams means 3070. I am converting total into grams. Now 2 kg 75 grams means 2075 grams. Next. And her father packed 950 grams. So direct 950. Total means we have to add. And he given the okay. Now, and her father packed 950 grams of pineapple and 1 kg 600 grams of apple. So 1600 grams of what? Now, total means add 5. Next, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 5, 19. Next, 1 carry 7, 7 plus 9, 16. 1 carry 567, 76.77, 7,695. But he given in kgs. So this is the gram. So divided by 1000. So divided by 1000 means denominator 3 zeros. So 7.695 kgs. So which option? Option 4. So total weight they carried is 7.695 kgs of fruits. Next 32. Which of the following is equal to 2.9 liters? Equal to 2.9 liters plus 4 liters, 9 milliliters is. For easy purpose, you have to convert into milliliters. Then you will get easily. Before we have converted into grams. So here also he given the liter and milliliters. So convert into milliliters is easy. So 2.9 liters in milliliters. 1 liter is equal to how much? So KHDLDCM. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 2.9 liter is milliliter is 2.9 liter is equal to 2.9 into 1000 milliliters. So 2900 milliliter, because 10 decimal will be moved right side, and 4 liter 9 milliliter means 4009 milliliters, right? 4009 milliliters. Then add 6909. Convert into, he given in the liter, but we got in milliliter, divided by 1000. Then 3 zeros means that is equal to 6.909 liters. Which option? 6.909. Option A is the right answer. See, up to 32 the questions are very easy. Next, which of the following Roman numeration is incorrect? So directly by seeing that, we can see the first option is incorrect, because V means 5. This cannot be written. So answer is option A. So XVV is incorrect. Next, the supplementary angle of complementary angle of 3 times of 20 degrees is. For this question, most of the students, those who not understood this question, they will do the mistake here only. See, the supplementary angle of complementary angle of 3 times of 20 degrees means here first 3 times you have this type of question you have to read from back side. See, 3 times of 20 complementary angle of 3 times of 20. First multiply with 3 times of how much? 20 degrees. So 3 into 20 how much? Is equal to 60, right? Now here complementary angle. For this, we have to find out the complementary, means 90 minus 60 is equal to 30 degree. For this, we have to find out the supplementary angle. So supplementary means 180 minus 30, 150 degrees. So what is the answer? Option 3, 150 degrees is the answer. First 3 into 20, next 90 minus 60 complementary, next 30, 180 minus 30, 150. Next 35. Roman number equal to the sum of Roman number equal sum of. So he given in the Roman number, we have to add this. So XL V 1 means, see, X means 10, L means 50. 50 minus 10, 40. 40, 48. For this 48. Next 27. 48 plus 27. How much? 75. So we have to find out the option is 75. Which is 75? L means 50, 50, 52, 70, 72. No, 75. Option 4. So 35. Answer is 75. Option 4. Next 36. The average of 5, 13, 18, 20, 22, K and K plus 6 is how much? So we given the sum of the number of total observations and we have to find out the average. He given the average also, we have to find out the value of K. Now, first we have to add these values. 5 plus 13, 18, 18 plus 18, 26, 36, 36 plus 20, 56, 56 plus 22 is equal to 78, right? 18, 36, 56, 56 plus 22, 78, 78 plus here K plus k plus 6 by total how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is also one number 7. So 7. What is the What is the average? 16. 78 plus 6, 84. 84 plus k, 2k. 2k by 7 is equal to how much? 16. So 84 plus 2k is equal to 16 into 7, 112. So 2k is equal to 112 minus 84, 8, 10, 28. K is equal to how much? 14. So what is the value? K is equal to 14. So which option? Option 1. K is equal to 14. Next. Thirty-seven. There are 1240 employees in a organization, out of which 25% are given promotion. How many employees are got promotion? Direct he given the percentage and he given the total employees. You have to find out the value. That's it. So total 1240 got promotion means 25%. 25 by 100. So 25 ones are 25 fours are 4 ones are 4 3 4 3 tens are. So which option? Option A. 310 people's got promotion. 310 employees got promotion. So up to 37 the questions are easy. Next. Next 38. A man earns 3,200 per day and spends 2,800 per day. The percentage of his saving per day is how much? So he earns 3,200 per day and spends 2,800 per day. Savings means earning minus spend. So just you have to do first minus of this earning how much? 3,200 minus 2,800. How much? 400. This is the saving, right? What he is asking, the percentage of saving per day is. He given the saving. This is the earning, and this is the spend. How much he spend per day? No, percentage means saving by means 400. Saving by earning how much? 3,200 into 100. Two zeros get cancelled. 4 ones are 4 eights are 100 by 8. 100 by 8 is nothing but what? 12.5 percentage. Directly 12.5 percentage. Option 4, 38. 12.5 percentage. Next 39. Same. Those who have studied in Kranthi in coaching center, this type of questions we had given many more questions. So our students had got many questions. This type of questions they have given in grand test also, and most of the students I hope they have given the correctly. And see 1.5. This is the square. Sorry, inside here is a this forms a square. Now this figure is rectangle, this figure is rectangle, this figure is rectangle, and this figure is the rectangle. For this, the trick is if you find one rectangle value, and how many rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rectangles. So multiply with 4. And he asking the area of this total figure means you have to find out the area of this also, because all the measurements are same. Now here I'm taking one rectangle. See what is the length here? Length is equal to 2.5. Next breadth is how much? 1.5 into 1.5, because area of a rectangle is L into B. So see, forget about decimals. Now 15 into 5, 75. 15 to the 375. How many decimals are there? So after decimal, how many digits are there? After here 1 and here 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So there should be 2 digits after decimal. So 1, 2. So 3.75. For one rectangle area is 3.75. How many rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So into 4. So 4 5s are 20. 4 7s are 28. 2. Um, 4 5s are 20. 23. 3. Now 4 3 are 12. 15. So after decimal 2 digits. So out the number of rectangles, 4 rectangles area is how much? 15 centimeter, 15 square centimeters. 15 centimeter square. Now, here we have to add the area of this inside a square also, because it is also the part of this figure. Now, here square has all equals all side. So 1.5 centimeter, and here also 1.5, here 1.5, 1.5. So area of a square is S into S. So 1.5 into 1.5. How much? 15, 15 is 225. So 225. After decimal, how many digits are there? 1 and 2. So 2.25. Add here. So 15 plus 2.25. Total 17.25 centimeter square. So what is the total area of this figure? 17.25 centimeter square. So this is the answer, option 2. Next. Next, a square shaped garden needs to be fenced with here fenced. Fenced means perimeter. So with 2 rounds of rope, right? 2 rounds of rope, they have fenced the garden, and the side of the garden is 35 meters, and the cost of the rope is 2 per rupees 2 per meter. Then the total cost of the rope is, see, first we have to find out the perimeter of the square, and we have to multiply into 2, because how many rounds are there? 2 rounds, and per 1 meter we will get the uh, total perimeter of that square. For 1 meter it is 2 rupees. For how many meters? We will got the, we have to multiply with 2. So what is the side? 35. So perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So 4 into 35. How much? 140, right? 140 meter. And how many rounds? 2 rounds, means into 2. For 1 meter, how much rupees they cost? For 1 meter cost, how much rupees? 2 rupees. So into 2. Then 2 into 2, 4. 14 fours are 56. Total 560. So it will cost total 560 rupees. Option 4. 40 is the option 4. Next. Next. Rahul had 120 rupees. He bought a gift for mother which cost 109.75 rupees. How much money is left with him? So directly you have to subtract 120 minus 109.75. See, 120.0, 109.75. Here 0 means 100 minus 75, 25. Here 10. So 10.25. Answer is option 3, 10.25. Next. 42. Which of the following numbers is equal to 859 plus he given some numbers and given in fraction. Convert this fraction into decimal and you have to add. Then you will get the answer. First write 859 here. 859 plus 48 plus 231 by 100. How many zeros are there in denominator? 2. So keep here after decimal there should be two digits. So here 2.31, and here of in denominator 3 zeros. So there should be 3 digits after decimal. So 0.029. 0.00000. Now here 9, 3, 3, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 2, 19, 1. So 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 9. 909.339. So option 4. Next. Rekha covers a distance of 15 kilometers walking with a speed of 3 km per hour. How much distance would she cover in the same time if she walks at a speed of 7 km per hour? So those who studied in Sainik School, those who studied in Kranthi, then they will do all these questions because we have given lot of this type of questions and before questions also. So our students will get out of maybe. Next, Rekha covers distance is how much? 15 kilometers, and speed is equal to 3 kilometers. Here we have to find out the time. Means time is equal to how much? What is the formula of time? Distance by speed. What is the speed? 3. 3 ones are 3 fives are. So time is equal to 5 hours, right? Now what is asked? How much distance would she cover in the same time if she walks at the speed of 7 kilometer per hour? So for this we have to find out the time here and he given the speed here. For finding the distance we know the formula. Distance is equal to speed into time. He given already the speed. Speed is equal to how much? 7. So 7 into 5, 35 kilometers. So what is the answer? Option 4. Next. The speed of a bus is 36 km per hour. The distance covered by the bus in seconds is how much? Speed is given and distance got the he given the speed in kilometer per hour and he given the time in seconds. But if you look the options here the options are distance is given in meter. For by this we can understand here. See, we have to convert the speed into meter per second. Then it will be easy to find out the distance in meter. So we know conversion of kilometer per hour to meter per second means we have to multiply with 5 by 18. So first convert the speed into meter per second. So 36 into kilometer per hour convert into meter per second means 5 by 18 meter per seconds. Means 18 ones are 18 twos are. So speed is equal to 10 meter per second. Now he given the time. Time is equal to how much? 10 seconds. Now what is the distance? Distance is equal to speed into time. So what is the speed? 10. Time 10. Answer 100 meters. So what is the answer? Option 1. 100 meters is the answer. Next. Next. Option 1. There are 48 rows of a plant, 45 question. There are 48 rows of a plant in a garden. Each row has 12 plants. And if each plant needs 3 buckets of water, then how many buckets of water do we need for all the plants? See, in a row, there are 48 rows of plants in a garden. Each row has 12 plants. Means total means how much? First, you have to find out the total. How many number of plants is equal to how much? See, 48 rows. Each row contains 12 plants. Total number of plants means 48 into 12 is equal to 12 8 the 96, 12 4 the 48, right? Then 6 7 5 76. So there are total number of plants. How many plants are there in a garden? 576. Each plant needs 3 bucket of water. So how many buckets of water do we need for all the plants? See, there are total 576 plants. Each plant needs 3 buckets. Total how much water for all? How many buckets of water needed for all the plants means we have to multiply with 3. So into 3. See 3 6 are 18 1. 3 7 are 21 2. 3 5 are 15 1 7 2 8. So answer is 1728 buckets of water is needed for the all plants. So option 4. Next 46. Speed చెప్పాలన్నా స్పీడ్ స్లో అవుతుంది స్పీడ్ చెప్పాలా స్లో అవుతుంది ఓకే next if p is angle p is 15% 15 degrees greater than 5 by 9 times of the difference of a right angle and its half type of p is angle and its half type of angle p is what? Here difference of a right angle and its half, then the type of. So I think this is the confusing question. Those who understood the question they will do the correct answer. The students who not understood this question So they will do the mistake here. So for this question, see 15 angle P. We have to find what angle P. So angle P, write down here angle P. Angle P is equal to what? See, greater 15 degrees greater than 5 by 9 times. So 15 degrees greater means plus. Then 5 by 9 times of the difference of a right angle. So 5 by 9 times means I am taking say parenthesis, and the difference of a right angle and its half type of and its half. Right angles mean how much? 90 degrees. Its half difference means half minus. Right angle half means how much? 45. So 95 minus 45, 45 degrees. Now here 45. 9 ones are 9 fives are. 5 fives are how much? 25. So 15 degrees plus 25 degrees. Total 40 degrees. So angle P is which angle? Acute angle. Option 1. Acute angle. Next 47. Measure. He given the match the following, and he given the degrees also angle. So we have to find which type of angle is this. So 80 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees to 200. 80 degrees is acute angle. 3. First one 3. Which option has 3? 1 and 2 has A is equal to 3. Next. So 3 and 4 are eliminated. Next, B is equal to 90 degrees means right angle triangle 4. So B has also 4. C. Next, C is equal to 120 degrees means here obtuse angle. So C is equal to 2. So option 1 is the answer. 3, 4, 2, 1. No need to check for D. D means reflex angle greater than 180 degrees. So 3, 4, 2, 1. Option 1. Next, 48. He given the circle and he asked the question. This type of questions also we are given in our Kranthi in school. So those our students will do the correctly here. So and most of the students, those who don't know, they will do the mistake here, except our Kranthi in students. See here what he has given. He is also match the here also he has matched the following. So first one AC. What is AC here? AC. AC is nothing but chord. Chord means option 4. First one option 4, A4. Next, AB. AB means diameter. Where is the diameter? 3. So second one is 3. Next, APC. APC is arc. Arc means what? 2. So C is equal to 2. 4, 3, 2. Remaining which one? OC. OC means this is the radius. So 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Which option? 4, 3. 4, 3, 2, 1. ఓకే. నాకు ఆన్సర్స్ అక్కడ మేడం చేసిర్రు ఇది నేను చేయాలి కదా నాకు. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి 73 నుంచి తీసుకురామండి. 73 టు 4, 3, 2, 1. సో 4, 3, 2, 1 ఫర్ 48. ఓకే. ఓకే మేడం. 57 మేడం? ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ 49. Center of a circle lies in its interior. So always center of circle lies in inside only. So in statement 1 is true, and the radius of a circle is twice its diameter. This is the confusing question. Diameter is twice of radius, not radius is twice of diameter. So option 2 is statement 2 is false. So statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. 1. Answer 1. 49 is 1. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Next, 50. A cuboidal container has length 19 centimeters, height 10 centimeters. How wide must it be to hold 19,000? He given the volume and length and height. We have to find out the breadth. So volume of a cuboid is equal L into B into H. So B is equal to 19,000 by 19 into 10. 0, 0 get cancelled, 19 ones are 19 hundreds are 100 centimeter. But he doesn't give in here 100 centimeters. So 100 centimeter is equal to 1 minute, 1 meter. So option 2 is the answer, 1 meter. Next, 51. I am a multiple of both 2 and 5. Who am I? If I am less than 14. So we have to choose the number which is less than 14. Look at the option 10, 5, 12, 8. So all are less than 14. And now we have to choose the number which is multiple of 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 means option 1 is the answer. Answer 10. 51 is 10 is the answer. Next 52. If K follows the pattern 3, 9, 27. So series, he has given the series. It is in increasing order. Now we have to find out the value of K. If you look the series here, 3, 3 square, 3 cube, here 3 power 4 means 81. So option 1 is the 81. So answer is K value is 81. Next, 53. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 96, 8. If one number is 24, then the other number is. See, product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. So one number means direct 96 into 8 by 24. 8 ones are 8, 3 is a 3 ones are 3, 32 is a. Now option 1, 32 is the answer. Next, other number is 32, 54. Next, length of two iron rods are 144 meters and 64 meters. Which of the following is the maximum length of rod which can measure each of them completely? So two iron rods are okay. Given which of the following is the maximum length of the rod which can measure each of them completely? Two iron rods are 144 meters and 64 meters. Right? Which of the following is the maximum length of rod? So directly here two iron rods are 144 meters and 64 meters. Which of the following is the maximum means here HCF. So what is the HCF? Here 16 is the HCF. We have to find out the HCF of 144 and 64. The maximum length. We have to, if you know this value, what is the meaning of this word? You can find out directly HCF without calculating. 144, 16, 16 divided 64 and 144 directly. Next, the cost of 32 apples is 512. Then the cost of 52 apples is the direct cross multiplication method. So 512 by 32 into 52. Then here 32 16 30 16 2s are 16 3s are 32s are 2 1s are 2 16s are 16 2s are 32 80 832. So option 4 is the answer. 832 is the answer. Next, 56. The sum of the numbers of 8694, 86,954 and the numbers obtained by interchanging its tens digits and thousand digits is what? We have to interchange the tens digit and thousands digit. So what is 8, 6, 9, 5, 4? We have to interchange the tens digit. Now this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now we have to interchange this digit and this digit. So 8, 8, 5, 9, 9, 6, 4. Now we have to find out the sum. 4 plus 4, 8, 11. Here 9, 9, 18, 19. Next, 6, 5, 11, 12. 8, 8, 16, 17, 2, 9, 1, 8. So option 4 is the answer. Next, the temperature at which, this is the, I think most of the students will do wrong in this question. Those who know, they will get out of. If they don't know, they will confuse. They know, but they will confuse here. This is the question. He was twisted. See, the temperature at which the readings in the Celsius and Fahrenheit are equal is what? At a 0 degrees is the right answer. Not no. This is the wrong. 0 is wrong. So most of the students will keep 0 degrees is the right answer, but answer is minus 40 degrees is the right answer, because we know that here C is equal to 5 by 9 into F minus 32, right? What he said? Readings of Celsius and Fahrenheit are equal. Means C is equal to F, right? Now, take anything value. I'm substitute C. F is equal to 5 by, instead of C, I'm taking F. 5 by 9 into F minus 32. Now, here 9F. 9F is equal to 5F minus 160. So, 4F is equal to minus 160. F is equal to how much? Minus 40. So answer is minus 40 degrees. C is equal to minus 40. So answer is 3. Minus 40 degrees is the answer. Next, 58. The normal body temperature of a healthy human is 37 degrees in Fahrenheit. Directly by seeing he given in Celsius, you have to find out in Fahrenheit, means 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit is the answer. Next, 59. The smallest fraction among all given fractions. So you have to find which is the smallest fraction. Here, smallest fraction means the numerators are equal, then denominators are not equal. Then which is the smallest here? The denominator which has highest value, that is the smallest. The denominator which has lowest value, that is the highest. So answer is 4. 11 by 9 is the smallest fraction. Highest fraction is what? 11 by 5. Now answer is 11 by 9, 60. Arrange the following in descending order of their values. So we have to arrange them in descending order. For this type of question, you have to convert into decimal, is very easy. So for this, the first answer is, see, 6 by 5 means 0.8. So option 1, 5 by 6, 7 by 9, 11 by 18, 1 by 3 is the right answer. So descending order means big to small. So 5 by 6 is greater than 11 by 7 by 9. 7 by 9 is greater than 11 by 8. 11 by 8 is greater than 1 by 3. So answer is 1. 5 by 6, 7 by 9, 11 by 8, 1 by 3. Next, 60. Shashi borrowed 25,000 on a simple interest at the rate of 8% per annum for 3 years. At the end of 3 years, she paid back 30,000. This 30,000 is what she paid back. Then how much money she still has to pay? So for that we have to find out the here amount, and we have to subtract this. Then we will get the answer. So 25,000 into 3 into 8 by 100. Two zeros get cancelled. 250 into 8 3 is 24. Means 120. 25 2 is 48. 600. 6,000. 6,000 means we got the interest is 6,000. Then what is the amount? 31,000. Total amount is 31,000. How much she paid? To 30,000. So subtract here 30,000. Then so remaining balance she has to pay is 1,000 rupees. So answer is 1,000 rupees is the answer. Next. Next. Rajiv borrows 6,840 from a Raja on simple interest at the rate of 6.5% per annum. What amount will be paid back after 3 years, 9 months? Same. Amount means we have to find out the first interest and add with the principal. Then what we will get? 6840 into 6.5 into 3. 3 means 3 years, 9 months means 3 plus 9 by 12. 3 3 is 3 4 is means 3 3 by 4 means 4 0 12 12 3 15 by 4. So here 4 16s are 4 17s are 68 and 4 1s are here into 100. 2 zeros is cancelled. Then 15, right? So 171. So we'll get the answer 8507.25. So option 4. Option 4 is the answer. Next, 63. In the figure given below, find out the value of x minus y. By seeing the figure, if you want to find out the x, this see, if you'll find this value, then you will get the answer easily, because this is the straight line and total angle is 180 degrees here. So he given two angles here. So 68 plus 39, 107, right? 107, 180 minus 107 is 73 degrees. So this is 73 degrees, means this is also 73 degrees, because these are vertically opposite angles. So we got x is equal to what? And the y and 68 is also vertical opposite angle. So answer is x is equal to 73 degrees, y is equal to 68 degrees. Now what he asked, x minus y. So difference means x minus y. 73 minus 68, 5 degrees. Answer is 5. Which option? Option 4. 5 degrees is the answer. 64. In the given figure, find out the value of x. Then in the given figure, what is the value of x? See, same. Here total, how much? 180 degrees, right? Now 40 degree, 42 degrees plus 90, 132. 132 minus, here, let's take here y value. So y is equal to how much? 180 minus 132. Here 8, 17 means 48. So here is the 48 degrees. Now, if you take this angle, now this line, this is the straight angle, right? No, straight angle means 180 degrees. So 180 minus 48, that is equal to 132. So answer is directly 132. Option 1. 65. Supplementary angle of A is 1/3 of right angle. Find the measure of A. Supplementary angle of A is 1/3 of a right angle, means 1/3 into right angle means 90 degrees. 3 ones are 3, 30 is. So supplementary means 180 minus 30, that is equal to 150 degrees. So option 1 is the answer. 150 degrees is the right answer. Next, 66. A shopkeeper sold an article 558, gaining 1/5 of the cost price. The cost price of the article is what? So he given SP is equal to how much? 558, and CP gain means profit. Profit is equal to 1/5 of 558. Now here, if you think 1%, see, one part is the profit and 5 parts is the CP. Total is equal to 6 parts. So 6 parts is equal to SP, right? SP is equal to how much? 558. Now what he is asking, cost price means 5 parts. This is the CP. This is the profit, right? So 5 parts is equal to how much? 5 by 6 into 558. 6 1 ja 6 9 ja 54. 6 3 ja 18. 5 3 ja 15. 1 5 9 ja 45. 465. So option 2 is the answer. 465 is the cost price of the article. 67. A shopkeeper buys a toy car of rupees 300 and sells it for 330. What is the gain? Gain means 30 rupees, because SP is 330, 300. So 30 gain percentage means 30 by 300 into 100. 2 zeros get cancelled. 30 by 3 is nothing but gain percentage, 10%. Option B. Option B is the answer. 10% is the profit percentage he got. Next, 68. Simplification. Now 19. First, BODMAS rule. See, 9 division. 9 ones are 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. 22. 22. Next, multiply. 44. 44 plus 8, 62. 62 minus 12, 50. Answer B. 50 is the answer. Next, a lady spent 230.50 on milk, 125 on bananas, 212 on apples, on 197 on mangoes. Make it dish for 15%. The cost per person is what? Direct, first you have to add all these values. You have to add all these values and divide by 15. Then you will get the answer easily. So 230. So we'll get the answer 51 is the right answer, because 230, 230.50, 125.00, and 212.00, 197.50. How much? 0, 0, 1, 6, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 1, 4, 6, 7, 16, 1, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 6, 7, 76.765 by 15 means directly 765 by 15, because he asked one person means total 15 person. So 15 ones are 15, 50 ones are directly. Answer 3. 51 per person. What is the cost? 51 rupees. Next, 70. The average of first 10 natural numbers is what? Average of first 10 natural numbers is directly n into n plus 1 by 2. So 5.5. No, n plus 1 by n, 5.5. Next, a chocolate brick is in the shape of a cube and the side is 6 centimeters. Kavita cut it into small cubes, each of side 2 centimeters. The number of small chocolates cube so obtained is. So chocolate brick is in the shape of a cube. Of side what? 6 centimeters. So volume of a cube is what? 6 cube. That is equal to 216. Now Kavita cut it into small cubes of each side how much? 2 centimeters. So that is also 2 centimeters means big cube can be cut into small pieces. So by 2 cube means how much? 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are 16, 8 sevens are. So how many cubes can be obtained from big cube? There are 27 cubes. So answer is 27. Next, 72. The number 1 is both prime and composite number. A prime number, neither prime nor composite number. A composite number. Prime is not, so he given the prime, so this is the eliminated. Prime number is not, 1 is not a prime number, it is not a composite number, so answer is 3. Option 3 is the answer. Next, 73. How many prime numbers are there between 30 and 60? There are 7 prime numbers. So option 1, 7. There are from 30 to 60, between 30 to 60 there are 7 prime numbers are there. And 74. The number of triangles in the following figure is how much? See, 1, 2, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 triangles are there in the given figure. That's 75. Match the list. Now, 3 equal angles means what? Equilateral triangle. Option 2. Which option has A is equal to? So these 2 has eliminated. 1 and 2 has A is equal to, A is equal to. Next, 2 equal angles means what? Isosceles triangle. So 1. So option A is the answer. No need to check here. 3 and 4 option. See. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 4, D is equal to 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. So I hope you understood. So if you don't know, you can check the answer again.
This is the paper explanation of the. This is the paper explanation. Please check your answers for all sets, and we uploaded our all key sets of the sets in our YouTube channel. Watch our YouTube channel. Kranthi, Keen, Sainik, Navodaya, RMS, and one more is the cutoff. Actually, paper is the cutoff means generally the general students who are it is in the local 280 they will it is a secured score. 280 for the non-locals and category reservation it will be around 265 to 280 between who will get that is a they will get the chances. Tomorrow we will upload after thoroughing of the following up that, we will upload the cutoff also. Watch our channel.
Thank you.
Time marks.